Albertsons is set to acquire all of Safeway stores, including the ones here, all of them all across the country.
Some huge money involved. Jeff is here to explain what it might mean for your stores and what it might mean for you. Jeff?
Yeah, this is a $9.4 billion deal that really could change Safeway stores as you know them. And as for Albertsons, well, their already existing network is going to get much, much larger. After the deal is finalized later this year, Albertsons will have more than 2,400 stores nationwide, 27 distribution facilities, and 20 manufacturing plants with over 250,000 employees. There are no store closures expected with this transaction. Now, currently, there are more than 1,300 Safeway stores across the nation, and those stores will be sold to Cerebus Capital Management, a private equity firm that owns Albertsons. So why is the deal happening? Some industry analysts believe it's a sign of the times, that it might be signaling the decline of big supermarket chains. Frank Dell, a consultant and 30-year industry watcher, told BayAreaNewsGroup.com that customers are more interested in smaller neighborhood markets that advertise locally sourced meat and organic produce and attract customers with friendly service. So you can think of Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and Sprouts when he references that. Customers have mixed feelings about this merger.
It seems like it's going to become a monopoly, and we're not going to have as many choices as we had before.
Seems like a game of musical chairs. Just every once in a while they're going to change hands.
And maybe friendly service goes a long way with customers. Phil Limpert, editor at Supermarket News, was quoted in the article saying when he goes into a Trader Joe's, he never wants to leave. He wants to actually work there, wear the shirt, and ring the bell. And there's a lot of talk about this on Twitter. For example, Carla Marinucci is saying that this is a good read. She has a link to an article that talks about how once this merger happens, that Safeway stores are going to turn into stores like Trader Joe's. So this article seems to suggest that they're going to scale down their operation and try to cater more towards those shoppers who like that smaller market experience.
You think so? I grew up in the LA area going to Albertsons all the time, and to me it was just a regular grocery store. I mean, similar to a Safeway, nothing special. You know.
Personally, I like having a lot of space when I go shopping.
Yeah,
you know, if you go there on a Saturday or a Sunday and you've got all those people with their carts, it can be pretty bad. But the main thing here is the price.
Yeah,
are people going to save money with the future of Safeway Albertsons?
Like so many things, it all comes down to money. Thanks, Jeff.
Okay.